Hey friends, hope you all are doing fine. So today we are back to our lesson on voice. Ready? In our last video, we learned what a voice is, how many types of voices are there, examples were given, and we also learned how to convert sentences to voices according to their tenses. In case you missed out on that video, I shall provide the link in the description box. In this video, we shall learn some more aspects of voice and their usage. So let's begin. Today we will see how some specific kind of sentences are converted from active to passive by applying certain rules. Number 1. Infinitive sentences. So the rule here is infinitive active sentences are changed into passive by using to be plus past participle Examples of these are: for active voice, he expected me to bring the bag. And for the passive voice, the bag was expected by him to be brought by me. Number 2, active voice, I plan to do it. And for passive voice, it is planned to be done by me. Now, for the second one, imperative sentences. For this, the rule is imperative active sentences are changed into passive by using advised, requested, let, etc. Examples of active voice are sit down, and for the passive voice, it is you are requested to sit down. Now for the second one, active voice, do it now. And for the passive voice, it is let it be done now. Number 3, sentences with can, may, must. Rule here is for must, should or may might be auxiliary verb plus be plus past participle. For should have or might have, the rule is auxiliary verb plus been plus past participle. Hope you are understanding. Examples for active voice: she may give the speech. And for passive voice, the speech may be given by her. The second example for active voice is you must do your duty. And for passive voice, your duty must be done by you. Number 3, for active voice, you should call them. And for the passive voice, the sentence will be they should be called by you. So friends, hope this video was knowledgeable, and if it was, please give a like and do subscribe to my channel for more such educational videos. So bye for now and take care.